Hello guys, you are once again welcome to Study by Yourself. This is Prince and I'm here to give you nothing but the best. Today I'm going to talk about the only app you need to study. There's one app I discovered and that's all you need. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Now let's watch the intro and dive right in. This is the app Socratic, and this is an amazing app I discovered on Google. Now what you can see at the background is yes, my camera. When you open, you have your camera on. Now the first feature I'll talk about is the search button. So you can see a question, you can see question here. Now, so what you do is you type your question. So what is psychology? Psychology. Okay, what is psychology? So what happens is that it's going to search and then give you, what this app does is that it does all the Google work for you. It goes on Google and searches for your keyword directly from Google, as well as gives you YouTube videos exactly on your subject. Sometimes you go on Google and you do a whole lot of search. So when it gives you your keyword, what you do is you just tap on it. Okay, so I tap on this, it sends me to Google and gives me what I actually want. So let's just switch back to the app. Okay, so we are there. So you go back, let's look at the other apps. Another feature of this app is that you can just take a picture of whatever question you have in your book. So let's try an example. Okay, so you can see what are the differences between active and passive transport. So go. So it's analyzing the problem, and it's going to give you detailed explanation to the question you asked. So if you have any question in your book and you feel lazy to type, the best thing to do is just to take a picture of it. So let's look at the next feature. The next feature is a voice feature where you talk and then it's going to type whatever you are saying and then give you the opportunity to search. So this is the only app you need and it's called Socratic. Socratic is available on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as well. You can also check the description below to get the link to download it. Thank you very much. I encourage you to keep learning by yourself during this season. Subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Hit the like button and then put in your comments or suggestion. Thank you.